Hi, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. We will show you the C240 engine rebuild kit. The piston is made of high-quality materials to withstand the high pressure of the combustion process, ensuring smooth transmission of power to the crankshaft. This is the cylinder liner, made of high-quality material and wear-resistant coating technology, effective sealing and reduced wear. The full gasket set, each gasket and seal is made of high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting durability and no leaks. At this point, you already know the Isuzu C240 engine. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.